Today I'm going to show you how to disable Delegate in x.com, also known as Twitter, in just a few quick steps. If you want to stop other people from inviting you to their account, this is the setting you need to turn off. This is a simple privacy change, but it's important if you want more control over your account access. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Let's jump right in. First, open x.com or the Twitter app and make sure you're signed into the account you want to change. On the left side navigation bar, click More. This opens up the full menu where all of your account settings are stored. From there, click Settings and Privacy. Once you're inside the Settings menu, look for Security and Account Access and click on it. This section controls account permissions, login security, and access-related options. Next, click Delegate. This is where X lets you manage delegate-related access settings for your account. Here, you'll see the option labeled Allow others to invite you to their account. Simply toggle this setting off. Once it's disabled, other people will no longer be able to invite you as a delegate to their account. That's all you need to do. No extra steps, no complicated menus, just a quick privacy adjustment inside your X account. If this tutorial saved you time, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy social media guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.